The CT scan is also useful in the entire body. For example, any infections or tumors of the liver, pancreas, brain, and especially in lower limbs when patient has a diabetes and we suspect a artery block. In such individuals, we can do what is known as CT angiography and pick up block anywhere in the blood vessels, entire body, anywhere we can pick up, and we can give accurate diagnosis for the surgeon or the physician to give appropriate treatment. Now, we can also perform many procedures on this high-end CT scan like virtual colonoscopy, virtual bronchoscopy. That means without cutting open the body, we can show the entire body in a virtual fashion, including what is happening in colon, what is happening in the airways, what is happening in stomach. Everything can be shown on this high-end CT scan. One of the latest advances in this CT scan is CT angiography for children who are suffering from heart defects known as congenital heart defects. That is, in routine language we call them as holes in the heart. Such children, also known as blue babies, the CT scan is done to know exactly what is the problem and what kind of management can be given to them by the cardiac surgeons or the cardiologist depending upon what kind of information we give them. That is, they suffer from variety of problems in the heart, including the major blood vessels, that means arteries and veins surrounding the heart. Such kind of children, if they get evaluated by the latest CT scan, they can be diagnosed correctly and accordingly proper treatment can be given. In a nutshell, the latest advanced CT scan available at Vista Imaging is extremely useful to prevent a major heart attack, to show if the patient has developed and is developing any clogging of the arteries supplying to the heart or anywhere in the body, and prevent any major catastrophe in the future. This is a prophylactic, that means a preventive test to be done by all those people who are at high risk and who have a stressful lifestyle, who suffer from diabetes, hypertension, or who have a habit of smoking, sedentary lifestyle, and already family history of heart disease. One of the best available modalities today to prevent a heart attack is CT scan, which is available with us.